Hello, everyone. So I've been getting a lot of questions about the fact that there's no longer screen sharing available for iPad and the chat feature has been turned off. So this is to show you how to turn them back on. So when you're online at sbunified.zoom.us, what you're going to want to do is you want to go down to Settings. And in the settings, you have a lot of different options. So when you're in meeting, you're going to scroll down. And in basic, there's an option right here to turn on chat. Now it is off right now. So what you want to do is you want to turn it back on. And when you turn it back on, make sure to hit turn on. Okay. Then when you scroll down a little bit more, there's an option to screen share. That should be on, but what you want to do is you want to disable this desktop screen share for others. It is enabled right now, and that makes it so that we cannot share our iPad screen. So you want to disable it or turn off the disable. You can also turn off this or turn on the whiteboard feature. That way you can use the whiteboard during your meetings. So make sure to change those things, the chat feature and the screen sharing feature for sure. And hopefully this helps.